In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your reviews in Vrbo. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Let's start by heading over to the Vrbo website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in vrbo.com in the address bar. Press enter, and the homepage should load shortly. Vrbo is a popular platform where you can find vacation home rentals like beach houses, cabins, condos, and more. As a host, this is where you'll manage all aspects of your listings, including your reviews. Once you have the homepage open, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials. This includes your email address associated with your Vrbo account and your password. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it via email. After signing in, you'll be redirected back to the Vrbo homepage. From here, navigate to your personal dashboard by locating your profile icon. This is often represented by an avatar or your profile picture at the top of the page. Give it a click and it should display a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This section of the site displays all your personal account settings and property management tools. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it provides detailed insights into your listings and interactions with guests. Once you're in your profile, look for the Reviews tab. It should be prominently displayed so it won't be hard to find. Clicking on Reviews will take you to a dedicated section where all the feedback from your past guests is compiled. This area is incredibly useful as it allows you to see what guests appreciate about your property and where there might be room for improvement. Take your time to read through each review carefully. Positive reviews often highlight what you're doing right, while constructive criticism can be an opportunity for growth. Responding to reviews, especially any negative feedback, in a polite and professional manner can greatly enhance your reputation as a host. And that's it. You're now ready to view and manage your reviews on Vrbo. We hope this guide was helpful and that you're now more confident in navigating your Vrbo account. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.